actually borrow my microphone. I'm live, so. So we'll probably walk her down here. Anything you want to say, Lori?
Everybody back, please.
What'd you think of the hearing, Lori? He was smiling. Oh, did it? I was on video.
I'm so glad you're out here.
I think you got some good pics. All right, everybody. Quick recap. Nate Eaton here with EastIdahoNews.com. As you saw, Vallow Daybell just walked out of the courthouse, and she's being transported back to the Madison County Jail. There was a hearing this morning where they argued some, I guess you could say, some technical arguments. Her defense attorneys want the grand jury to rehear portions of the indictment. They're saying that the language in the indictment on two of the charges is a little confusing, that the prosecutors combined two separate charges on each count, if that makes sense. So I'm compiling a full story on that. The judge did not issue any ruling. Chad Daybell was not here, neither was his attorney. Lori was here with her attorneys Jim Archibald and John Thomas. And you can watch the entire hearing. We've got it at EastIdahoNews.com. I also had it here on my Facebook page in case you missed it. But Lori was dressed in a gray shirt, black pants. She came in. She appeared to be smiling and kind of laughing at some point. She did roll her eyes a little bit. But anyway, no, Lori is not behind me. That is another woman who has been mistaken for Lori in the past. So that's the latest here from the Fremont County Courthouse. No word yet on the next hearing date when that will happen, but of course we'll keep you posted. Again, Lori Vallow Daybell just left the Fremont County Courthouse. She's on her way back to jail in Madison County, and we'll stay on top of it. Thanks for watching.